ये बताइए ये क्या है, ये क्या नहीं है. This is what a great talent is all about. Besides being talented, it's your commitment, it's the fire, it's the electricity with which she sparkles. I love this commitment to your work, to your art, and to be able to play Mary Kom, to give so many hours to training, biceps. वो आदमी जैसी हो गई थी बीच में. मैं उसको कह रहा था कि प्रियंका
ये कहानी सुनने लायक है. जब हम लोग राम चाय पीला गाना शूट कर रहे थे तो संजय सर मुझे बोलते हैं आके देखा उन्होंने एक दिन कि I had to bulk up a lot. तो ये ऐसे शूट करोगी ऐसे मसल्स के साथ, ऐसे तो हम गाना शूट नहीं कर सकते, सेक्सी लगना है, इसलिए मुझे स्लीव्स दिए गए थे बाय द वे कवर करने के लिए.
Here is an actor which I feel truly what greats are all about. This is what Nutan ji was all about, what Vahida ji is all about. And I think Priyanka is in that league. As an actor, as a person, she's fabulous and God bless her and I love you a lot. One big hug. God bless.
Thank you, Sanjay sir.
Before the quick Q&A starts, yes, I want to mention a few people over here who mean a lot to me. Umang is here. But Vanita, his wife, who is his inspiration and the backbone, and please stand up and take a bow. I think it's important for you to do that, Vanita. She's a production designer of the film. She's the art director of the film. I want Sandeep Singh, my co-producer, to stand up and take a bow. Without him, this would have not happened.
Everyone, Sandeep.
Simon, Karan, Ram, everybody.
Woo!
So a great, is Shobha and Chaitanya here? I don't know if they are there before I'm making those great designs. Jayesh for cutting a beautiful trailer. Shashi and the new music director Shivam over there. Everybody. And Ajit, thank you very much for being such a great guy and such a wonderful co-producer and producer with me. So I've enjoyed every minute. Love you and God bless.
And now we do open to Q&A. Yeah, okay, one sec. The gentleman there. There's one there as well, so we'll come there after that, yeah?
Audio खराब है. ऐसी जोर से बोलो.
Yes, I do see it. You know, a lot of this film, most of this film is picked up from real life instances of Mary. So for me, the most difficult thing was to bring about her personality and how she must have been in scenes like that. Some of the film, when you watch, some of it is documented footage also. I'm sure you guys will have of instances that have happened to her, which we've tried to recreate within the film. So for me, the hardest part in the movie was that, to bring about Mary's personality. But I think there's this scene of Mary as a mother, and her conflict and everything that happens to her, which for me is something I've not experienced, of course, since I've not had children. So I didn't know that was a really hard moment for me, to be a fighter, a mother, a homemaker, and to be able to balance all of that, I think, is one of a woman's greatest, most difficult roles. So to be able to bring that to the fore, I think for us was a really big challenge. Definitely.
And when you met Mary, which was the aspect or concept that was very moving for you, or very touching?
I think for me the story of Mary Kom is एक छोटे शहर की लड़की, farmers की बेटी, who had it was a difficult time for her. Sports is anyway hard, as everybody knows, in India. So who came up, climbing the rungs with her hard work. And for me, the thing that touched me most about her was how she's still such a real person, and she's a girl. Okay, when you think about a boxer, सोचते हो कि boxing ring में tough होगी. जब मैं भी पहली बार मिली उससे, chiffon पहन के आई थी, nail polish लगा के आई थी, eyeshadow, with the hair done. उसकी gloves के अंदर हमेशा आप देखोगे कि वो nail paint पहनती है, उसका lucky charm है. तो she's a girly girl, which I really liked about her. So मैंने उसकी, I tried not to make this Rocky Balboa and to give Mary's personality. वो मुझे बात बहुत छुई उसके बारे में.
Did you have to go through a lot of physical training to be more stronger, both emotionally and physically?
Not at all. हमने क्या किया उमा? हम तो ऐसे biceps तो ऐसे ही आ जाते हैं.
बचपन से अभी तक कभी gym गई नहीं है.
जी.
So that was the hardest part, to push her into the gym. Now go ahead. Did you do anything?
No, I think I didn't realize how much it would be difficult for my body. As a woman, it's anyway hard to be able to get muscles, the way boys do. You have to have years of training for that. and we had to do it twice over within a span of 2 years. So yeah, you know, going to the gym every day after shooting. We used to shoot 15 hours almost every day, and then uske baad, after having a long day, then to go and train for 3 hours was, mere bichare trainer dhanya hai.